Friends, when you start your path in trading, you need a crypto exchange where you'll be able to take trades, keep your money, and all of this stuff. And this video is for especially for beginners and for people that at this moment looking for exchange. Main reason why I record this video because ByBit started KYC verification and many people started to worry what to do. I personally, what I did, I passed verification when I opened account on crypto on ByBit more than 1 or 2 years ago. That's why I didn't care about that stuff, and that's what I recommend you to do. Just pass the KYC verification. What at this moment? What at this moment? Why we are talking about this exchange and why ByBit for us is so important? Because I think KYC verification really cool stuff. Because you will be way more protected, and where every good normal exchange financial institution need verification because it's how this world works. And if you want to be secure, better to do it. Secondly, why I use ByBit, and because I keep on ByBit more than 70% of my personal capital cash that I have. And why I do it? Because first, they started regulation. They one of the biggest derivative exchange, and I love their services, especially how we connect order flow platforms, how they update their data. I think they even better than Binance, because Binance in some indicators do not update it instantly. Only ByBit do it. That's why we use that exchange. What at this moment you can get if you open account by our link below this video, that would be our partner link. Open account, pass KYC verification, and you can get $40 bonus if you deposit 100 USD and trade. Also, you'll get access to our private club where I share trading plans, trade ideas, and trades that we take. Example for you, what I mean by trades that I do. It is a futures trade like this one. When I see significant volume on BTC or other coins like this one, have a look. What I did, I just gave signal to our community and we beautifully took short and price dropped within few hours. I do not send 20 signals every week, but I send only when I see really accuracy, like this one, ETH. Beautiful stop loss hunt, and we took short and have a look how price exactly bounced. Also, a few days ago, this CRV rise. Also, on previous week, as you can see, I tag every person in this community, and I told to people about this beautiful Ethereum potential rise. And what Ethereum did at this moment, Ethereum hit this area 1875 from this significant liquidation. That's really powerful places that I share to our people, and you can get access to it. Also, at this moment, also, if you have already account on ByBit, but you didn't open it with some referral, you can go to you can transfer your account under our referral, and you still can get 20 USD bonus, and you will get access to private club. What exactly right now you should do? First, if you don't have account, just open it, pass all this KYC verification. If you have account, write to Thomas Bigger Trading. Below this video there would be contacts. Depends where you're watching this. Write to Thomas, ask, write your idea. He will check, and if you don't have referral, you also will get all of these bonuses. Thank you for your time. If you have some questions, ask it. See you.